Hello. If you've watched my channel, you might know someone known as Kitty Cat World. And basically, I told him his full name. I told him, and he accused me of leaking it. And basically, on Rose's message account, he told me my address. He knows my address. He is a... So basically, here's proof. So if you don't believe me there... And trust me, he's done a lot more things. A lot. And here are some things people are not aware of about the Kitty Cat World drama. So Kitty Cat World has been being toxic to friends, anyone, haters, even if they don't even know them. Kitty Cat World will be toxic to anyone if they do not support him or his friends or something. He's even rude to his fans. He's toxic. He has done stuff. So, bye.